Hey y'all, I made something that's going to take your crochet gifting to the next level. This Made with Love graphic. You can use it to create tags, cards, stickers, whatever you want. The best part, all you got to do is load it up into Canva and customize the colors. Let me show you how.
All right, here we are in Canva, and the first thing that we are going to do is find a template. So whether you're making a gift tag or a birthday card, select a template that you want to work with. And I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here. This one looks cute enough to customize if you've crocheted an amigurumi dinosaur for someone. And after you've selected to customize the template, let's just get a new page and start putting a message together on this page. I've already uploaded the graphic, so all I have to do is drag it on to my workspace. And once you have the graphic on your workspace and it's selected, you'll see these circles at the top here. And these are all areas of the graphic that you can customize. So click one of the circles and choose a color. There are a couple of different things that you can do in here. You can change the banner, you can change the outline of the heart, you can change the background, and you can even change the part of the graphic that shows the yarn ball.
You can get this graphic when you sign up for my newsletter. I'll leave a link in the description. I hope it adds that extra special touch to your crochet gifts. You can tag me on Facebook and Instagram. I'd love to see how it turns out. Thanks for watching.